Welcome back to Money Matters. In this video, we'll share with you some practical tips and tricks that can help you save $10,000 in no time. Let's get started. When it comes to saving money, the first step is to set a realistic goal. Determine why you want to save $10,000 and how long you have to achieve that goal. This will help you create a savings plan that is achievable and motivating. If you have a specific deadline, like saving $10,000 in 1 year, you will need to save around $833 per month. If you have more time, you can save less per month. The important thing is to have a clear idea of your goal and how you will achieve it. The next step is to create a budget. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and increase your savings. Start by listing all of your income and expenses for the month. This includes your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and any other expenses you have. Then, look for areas where you can cut back. For example, you might be able to save money by cooking at home instead of eating out, or by canceling subscriptions you don't use. Use a budgeting app like Pocket Guard to track your expenses and make adjustments as needed. If you have debt, it's important to pay it off as quickly as possible. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, can eat up your savings and make it harder to achieve your goals. Focus on paying off your debt before you start saving aggressively. Make a plan to pay off your debt over time and look for ways to reduce your interest rates. Consider consolidating your debt or a balance transfer so you can lock in a 0% APR. Automating your savings is one of the easiest and most effective ways to save money. Set up a direct deposit to a savings account each month, so a portion of your income goes into savings automatically. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you won't have to remember to save each month, and you'll be less likely to spend the money you're trying to save. Finding ways to increase your income can also help you save $10,000 fast. Consider taking on a part-time job or freelance work. Sell items you no longer need on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. In addition to trying online surveys to make extra cash, look for ways to monetize your skills or hobbies. Every little bit counts. To sum up, saving $10,000 fast requires a combination of strategies like setting a realistic goal, creating a budget, reducing your debt, automating your savings, and finding ways to increase your income. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your savings goal. It's important to have a plan, stay motivated, and be disciplined with your spending. We wish you the best of luck in your savings journey, and we hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Matters for more finance-related content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.